here. It is Vlogmas Day 7. Really quick, while I am waiting for my water to boil for my coffee, I want to show you guys my flowers. They are blooming beautifully. Aren't these pretty, y'all? Dre did a good job. And you know what? I asked him, of course, where he got them from, because he brought them home. They weren't delivered. And he got them from Food Lion. Asked him how much they cost. He only paid $12 for these flowers. Now, if these flowers would have been delivered from a flower company, $80 or more. So, fellas, I just want to let you know, you can get your lady some beautiful flowers on the low. What's up, y'all? So, I'm on my lunch break, but you know, work from home allows you to be more productive. So, I already ate. We had like a 4-hour meeting, literally, and we had a 5-minute break. So I made me a quick turkey and avocado wrap. It was bomb, y'all. I put that Olive Garden dressing up there, and I tore it up. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish making up the guest bed. This is our guest room. It's a beach theme, and I just washed the sheets because we did have someone spend the night last weekend. So, you know, anytime we have someone spend the night, then I do go ahead and wash the blankets. So if you are someone that is watching and you spend the night, just know you always have clean sheets. I need to be exercising because y'all know how I do. Every Monday, I'm getting my life together. But it just falls apart on the weekends. This is also where we like to keep, where I like to keep a lot of our souvenirs that we get from traveling. This is more kind of a beachy theme in here. So if you guys would like to see any of our travel souvenirs, I'll be happy to show them to you. Just let me know in the comments. Actually, what I'm gonna do, since I have a little bit more time left on my break, is start making my spaghetti sauce for the spaghetti I'm making this evening. So if y'all wanna chop up some veggies with me, stay tuned, washing my hands. If you ever want somebody to be like, girl, what you cooking? Fry up some onions, peppers, and some garlic. I'm telling you, you get them every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you know, Dre had already pretty much seasoned up the meat last night, so I'm gonna cook that, and then probably on my next break, I will go ahead and start adding the sauce and let it simmer. Got my Aisha curry pan, which y'all know how I feel about that. All right, I got my pepper here, which I'm gonna rinse and probably just use a piece of it. Cut that up. Cut up my onion. I'll probably add the mushrooms in once my sauce starts to simmer. But you gotta put some pepper and onion in your sauce. That's probably all I'll use of that. Do onions make y'all cry? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But hopefully they don't today, because I hate that feeling and it like stays with me for a couple of hours. Ooh, y'all, my eyes are burning. I got my minced garlic. A little heavy hit of that up in there. Go ahead and let all this saute up. My eyes are on fire. Woo! This is why I do not like cutting up onions, but I just cannot cook without them. But whoo, yeah, those tore my eyes up. Look at that. All right, here's the meat that Dre seasoned up last night. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. All right, so I got a few more seasonings I'm gonna go ahead and add into the meat while it's cooking, and then of course I'll add some seasoning into the sauce when I add that. This paper don't work very good. Onion powder in my top 3. Onion powder, salt, and pepper. Draining out my grease. Don't put grease down, y'all. It's draining, y'all. Get you an old metal container. Do it like this. That's a spaghetti squash if you've never seen one. We'll show you guys how to prepare it. My mushrooms in. I actually meant to put them in with the meat. But one more thing. Dre makes his own hot sauce. So I am going to go ahead and put a scoop of it. Probably 2, because I couldn't get a good scoop in here, and that'll give it a nice little kick. Y'all, his hot sauce is the bomb. I told him he needs to bottle it up. It is so good. All right, y'all, that was a struggle, but this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to scrape out all the seeds, and then I'll show you how I season it. Season up your squash, and then you're going to bake it for about, I really don't know how long, but at least like 20-30 minutes, I want to say, until it's soft. And then you can scrape the inside out, and then they're like little stringy veggies that imitate noodles, but they aren't really noodles. So I'm just gonna use some salt, pepper. Alright, I just took the spaghetti squash out of the oven, and this is how you make it into spaghetti. Alright, so I got my squash, and I'm just gonna mix it with my sauce. I'm gonna throw some cheese on top and bake it in the oven. Alright, got a few slices of mozzarella on there. I got my Colby Jack, because y'all know how I feel about my Colby Jack cheese. So I'm going to cover it with that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there. And then we're going to go ahead and bake it in the oven. And it's a wrap. Look who's home from work. He already took his coat off. But then he put his coat back on. Because his shirt has the company that he works for, so he doesn't want to show it, obviously. So I said, just go change your shirt. This fool don't put a coat on. It's hot as out. We got the oven going.
It ain't that
hot in here. It's
she always got some.
All right, so we're gonna answer another question.
She always frying me. Welcome back to Vlogmas Days.
It feels like day 24. I'm like,
day 7.
We got to keep vlogging for how many more days? You know I can't count from 2 days. But we got to keep vlogging for like weeks, and we be in the house.
Bored in the house.
All right, let's answer this question because no one got so much time.
True. Hey, so all right, so just cut it in the middle in there and fold in some stuff. So all right, so we're gonna close out the vlog. Here's the card for today for our moments. What would be your ideal room in a house where you would feel the most comfortable if you had unlimited money and time?
That's a very weird question.
That is. So you're first.
We should change it. I don't even understand that question.
Oh,
like,
geez.
seriously, I really don't. What would be your ideal room in a house where you would feel the most comfortable if you had unlimited money and time? I mean, we would,
in other words,
we would have a big house, like a mansion, and it would be something to where it would have a pool with like a retractable roof, where it could be like an indoor or outdoor pool. It would definitely have a tropical like bar area with you know, drinks and like a grill area with food.
This sounds like an outdoor,
or like a like an outdoor oasis. Like I would want to feel like I'm on vacation. Like if it's a room in my house where I would feel most comfortable, if I had unlimited time and money, like.
I'm gonna keep mine a little bit simple. It would be a man cave with a bar in it and a big enough couch bed to chill, relax, and that's keep it simple. And
mine will also have like a lazy river that goes right through the man cave, so I can just float through the man cave. You don't want to see me?
That's not how this is supposed to work. I want to be in the man cave. Why can't I just be in the man cave? Why you gotta have floating access to come to?
All right, your loss. I ain't like that question though, but we'll do another one another day.
Whatever. It was good. Now I know how much money I gotta make in order to get you the room to be comfortable in. So we need y'all to go ahead and subscribe, like,
hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post a video.
Bing, bing.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.